Are you looking to connect your custom domain to your Kajabi site and just got stuck doing so? Then you're in the right place. Hi there and welcome. I'm Nadia and I'm Kajabi and automations expert, and I'm here to shed some light on all things systems and digital products for your online business. In this video, I will walk you through the process of connecting your custom domain to Kajabi by moving the name servers of your domain to Kajabi completely, meaning that all DNS records will live in Kajabi now. If you're looking for a more simple way of connecting your domain via CNAME, then be sure to check out this video where I walk you through the process of connecting the domain to your Kajabi site via CNAME. Okay, so now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, in your Kajabi account, go ahead and click on Settings down here in the bottom left corner, and then click on the domain. After that, click on Set up Custom Domain. And from here, you will need to enter www and then dot and then your domain name. So in my case, I have a domain learnwithnadia.online for training purposes, and then click on Continue. After that, you will be given instructions on how to change name servers in your domain provider. So in my case, I use GoDaddy, so I will have to navigate back to my GoDaddy account and click on DNS and then name servers. Your domain provider may be slightly different, so you will need to just find DNS area and the name servers on the dashboard of your domain. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on Change Name Servers and then say that I will use my own and copy the name servers that Kajabi is given me. So name server 1 will be this one, and then name server 2 will be this one, and then click on Save. All right, this may take some time for the name servers to update, so please be patient with this process. You may also want to refresh the page for your name servers to update here in the back end of your domain provider account. Then navigate back to Kajabi and click on Done, Verify Domain, and you will be receiving a message saying that your domain is being connected, and you will also see DNS area down here under subdomain. That means that your website can be open for the following subdomains, with the www or without, or even with mykajabi.com branding. So now the main thing to remember here is that once everything is set up, and say in the future you need to verify your domain or you need to add custom email domain, you will need to come back to your Kajabi account instead of your domain provider, like mine is GoDaddy. So all of the DNS records are now located in your Kajabi account. Once your domain is successfully connected to your Kajabi account, you will be getting an email from Kajabi saying that it's been connected and you may now use your domain. However, note that the actual domain connection may take up to 48 hours for all of the servers and DNS records to update everywhere. Please be patient with it and check back in a day or so. But typically, from my experience, the domain is connected within a couple of hours and you should be able to use it soon enough. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, give it a like and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!